Hello folks, I'm coming at you live from O'Hare International Airport, International Terminal 5. I'm looking at some big heavies right now. There's American 777 across the way. Of course, you know that's their secondary hub here in Chicago. And then there's another 777-300 there.
Once again, we are now boarding all seats, all rows, at gate uncrewed, the Calgary.
Okay, that's where him get done talking. Okay, and you see a WestJet 737-800. That's on his way to Calgary as we speak right there. And then we'll climb right over this way. There's yours truly. That's the flight I'll be on. That's an Emirates 777-300ER. It'll be departing in about a couple hours. They'll start boarding about 7:30, so I got time to kill. So there you go, I'll show you at another angle, okay? Okay, this is my gate here, M4. So there you have it there. They'll start boarding about 7:30, all right? And here's the Emirates 777-300ER up close for folks. Can't see the full body of it. I'll go to the other side and show it from there, all right? That's the partial registration number, CC. I'll know what it is when I get on the plane, all right? Okay, yeah, that's the plane here from this angle, all right? That's the plane from this angle, all right? Big G90 engine right there. Whoa, all right? That's my flight there, folks, all right? Next gate. That's the M5, yeah, but you can't really get none on there. That was a Royal Jordanian 787 there. If I can get a better angle, I'll show you in a second. So this is what I'm at right now, walking down this hall here. All right. Think I can get at a better angle around this corner, okay? Sorry. Let's see. All right. So, 6:18. Another hour though. Got mad time. Okay. All right. Got no window there. All right. Oh, shoot. Okay. Maybe I can see that Royal Jordanian from this gate here. Okay. I'll find out. Okay. Okay. Oh, yeah, okay. Maybe I can get it from this angle. Only time I'll tell. No. Can't get it. Maybe I can get the tail end of it. We'll find. Okay. Okay, you see the American jets over that way, folks. American jets over there. Then you see the United over there. And then you see the American coming in right there. Yeah, you see that American coming in right there. My guess is that's coming from Shanghai, I guess. Okay. That's coming from Shanghai, I guess. Alright. Let's turn around. I don't know where it's going. It's right there. And then you come over here. That's the Royal Jordanian 787. I couldn't really get the full scale of the whole aircraft because that gate was so clouded up. Ain't really got no windows in that gate. All right, so there you go. American turned around. So with that said, I'm gonna wait for that to go off to the gate somewhere. Yeah, the planes are lining up. They sure are. Okay, I'll go to the next gate. Okay, these little shops here and all that stuff. Yeah, I bet all the big heavies on this side here, so I'm gonna go find out, all right? Okay, you're looking at a Swiss Airbus 330 right there. I'm gonna see if I can get it at a better angle, all right? Okay, back to right here, touring this spot here. They got these little shops here and all that stuff. Pretty unique. Starting to get me something to eat. Look, I stuff getting my appetite right now. Trying to hold out till we get on the flight, but that ain't happening, so. I don't know. There. I'm gonna see what's at M12 here. What aircraft's at this gate? Nah, British Airways. That's a 777, but it's a 777, but it ain't at the gate. So gotta go to another gate. All right. There's Hudson. Everybody different stuff there. Oh, man, the food smells good. Okay. Okay. All right. Man, please let be some heavies here. All right. Okay. Wow. They didn't say nothing about no rain. What kind of cloudy out there? Supposed to clear up by the time we take off. But no, like. Okay, M14 and 21. Maybe they got the big boys over here. We're gonna go find out. I'm anxious to find out. Hope they took off yet. SAS Scandinavian Lounge there. All right. All right, go down here, 14 to 21. Maybe they got some gate. Okay. M14, 15. Let me see what's at these gates, folks. Oh, okay, there it is. The Scandinavian 300. Maybe I can get a better angle at this angle. Okay, I'm gonna show you at this angle. Probably better angle over here. Oh, yes. At least I can get this one. It's got ones. There it is right there, folks. I'm gonna bring it up a little closer, folks. All right, bring it up a little closer, all right? Okay. Yeah, there's the Scandinavian SAS 300. Boy, that's a beauty there. Yeah, that's beautiful there. All right. I'm gonna see if I can get in close. Not, gotta go to the next gate. All right. Okay, next gate. Okay, I'm getting to head down the other end of the terminal here. You know, M17 to M21. Maybe see some big heavies there. They may have to like the KLM 747 and the Lufthansa 747-8i Intercontinental. Definitely want to see that bad boy. All right. Oh boy. Okay. Huh? Oh yeah, Qatar's coming up. Okay. You see the Qatar over there, a little Qatar Airways. I'm gonna get a shot at that one. All right. Oh, man, it's getting dark out there. Okay. Yeah, sad to say, y'all. Sorry I missed the big boys. Maybe I'll catch when I come back on November 3rd. I'll probably catch the big boys here, you know. Okay. All right. M19 and M21. All right. Okay. Oh, okay. Maybe we got one down here. If not, that's it. Okay. Here. Sad to say, y'all, this is about the best I can get of the Qatar 777-300ER. Yeah, this is about as good as I can get right here, folks. Yeah. You know, O'Hare don't have that many gates here, that many gates with windows on, folks. So if you flew out of here, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So there's the Qatar 777-300ER. Wow, that's a nice aircraft, though. Wow, beautiful aircraft there. Okay, next gate. Okay, and you see that's the outside of Terminal 5 right there. Sad to disappoint y'all, but if y'all looking for the Airbus 380s, they won't be landing here till like beginning of 2016. They ain't got them parked here yet, but they coming. So this is all I got for this gate right now. So I'm gonna go get me something to eat. Then I'm gonna go sit at my gate. Then I'm gonna do some more video posting on the plane as well. So be on the lookout for that as well. In the meantime, take care. God bless.